Hello guys, it's me, Steve, and welcome back to Grind to Freedom. Here we're grinding towards our freedom, and today I want to talk about how I made my first $1,000 step-by-step blueprint with the Facebook content monetization program. Actually, to be more accurate, I made more than $1,000. So I actually made on my very first month monetizing on Facebook $2,600. So follow this blueprint. I cannot guarantee that you will make 2,600 exactly, because that happened to me in that specific case, but I can almost guarantee that you will make $1,000. So here's what I did. First of all, I had no idea I can monetize on Facebook and that Facebook was paying you money. I had no idea. So essentially I started growing a page my primary purpose was to grow that page with enough followers that then I can script them into my website, where I have my website monetized with ads, and that's how I wanted to make money specifically. Then after growing that specific Facebook page and stuff, I ended up getting an invite into the Facebook content monetization program. And during this time, the biggest trending topics, by the way, my page was in the travel niche. So it was a travel niche page. It's important for you to know, just so you can have in context what you can do. This travel niche page, and at the time, hottest topics, one of the topics that everybody was talking about, at least the majority of people offline, was the Olympics. So I was posting about that specific travel page about things about the Olympics, some directly connected to that specific country, with their athletes, with their performances. But I was also posting random things from the Olympics that had nothing, but I mean nothing, to do with the travel page itself. But guess what? As it was a trending topic at the time, everything was going viral. So what it is right now, if you would have been posting about the World Cup, even if you had a page that has nothing to do with soccer or the World Cup, stuff like that, you will still make a lot of money because of the trend. With this particular strategy, you can easily make an extra $800, $1,500 a month, as long as you choose the right topics that you can talk about. And that means you do multimedia. That means you do, at the time I didn't do that many. I was mainly doing photo posts and text posts. And just with that, I was making an extra $2,600. And I'm not telling you this information to brag or anything like that. Oh, look at this. So cute. A little kid. All I'm saying, this is not to brag or anything like that. It's just so show you how easy it is when you do proper research or you're tapped in the world. As long as you do content that excites you, niche that you're passionate about, you'll find different ways to actually make money with your content. And just by following this blueprint, you can make an extra $1,000, $2,000. You keep iterating and checking what are the best for you. You saw that dove fly from me? But if you want a step-by-step process that will guide you a whole week of a 7-day free challenge, check our school community below, and you will have there the key details and all the information that you need to start your Facebook content monetization journey, and you can start making an extra $500, $1,000, $2,000. However, as much as you would like to make. But again, this process, once you dominate it with one page, you can replicate it with a second page, with a third page, whether it is with a different niche or you want to stick with the same niche and scale horizontally. You can totally make it happen. Take the challenge, our 7-day free challenge. The link is on the description below. Definitely check it out, and I'll see you over there. Subscribe for more, like, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day.